Let's do a little boat tour today. It's a Super Air Nautique G23, and let's get her undressed. Here she is. She's beautiful. It is my absolute favorite color of blue. B, let's give them a tour, okay? So blue is one of my favorite colors, and then this interior is my favorite. 16 people can fit in here, and it's just a nice ride. Of course, we got speakers, so when you're surfing back here, you got plenty of sound to carry you through. And then we've got a GoPro mount to get all the footage. The back seat flips up so you can watch everybody surfing. And of course, you've also got seating on the back for spotters as well. And most importantly, you've got the radio controls right here. Now, I'm a passenger princess, so I don't do the driving on the boat, but the driver does have lots of room. Got a cell phone charger here, all the custom settings to the surfers on the panel, and it's just a really great ride. And then up front, we've got seating for people, and in our case, for the puppies. And let's go for a ride. A lot of people ask about the propeller and concerns about the propeller, but it's an inboard motor, so you can see that the propeller is recessed way under the back of the boat. So there is no way by swimming in the back of the boat that you're going to touch the propeller whatsoever. How does this thing generate a wave? Well, there is ballast or big things that hold water inside of the boat that pulls the boat deeper into the water. And then there's something called the Nautique surf system that diverts the flow of water under the boat to one side, so it generates a wave. And then there are these wave plates that come out of the side of the boat that will alter the flow of the wake behind the boat. And basically using physics, that makes the wave that you can surf on.